Hello guys, so back with another video. It's your boy Melchor Junior. Let's go! It's your boy Melchor Junior guys. So ngayon, ang lalaroin natin ngayon is Life Together RP. Because you enjoy the first guys. Let's go. Where is Makmak?
Dito ako yan.
Oh, sige. If you like this, make sure like and subscribe. Okay, let's go. Ang kwan natin ngayon is let's go dito. Tignan natin yung mga kuano kayo. Mag-find tayo ng home. Find tayo ng home, guys. Find tayo ng home. Get a pot. Wait, guys. Two? What the heck? Heaven view house, okay. Stair pool, bedroom, fire pit, everything you need. Best parties. Ito naman. 5 bedrooms, carve, home. Yan. A pool, guys. You can have build that. Let's go build that. Let's go build that, guys. Permission. What the heck? Titignan natin to, guys. Kung ano bang konto. Lock. Naka-open naman. Try natin na ikon yung tungkuan, guys. Ano kaya? Ito, guys. Ito. Yan. Ito natin yan. Change natin yung color kasi hindi ko yung gusto. Green, okay. Let's go na. Pwede na yan, guys. Hanggang paparking ko lang yan. Yan, guys. Okay na. Tapos baba na tayo, guys. Lock na natin yan, guys. Close yan. Lock natin yan. Let's go na, guys. Yan, guys. Kailangan natin i-konto. I-lock. Yun, na-lock na. Kailangan din natin i-lock to. Ay, close ang pala yan. Okay, so ito na yung pool na sinasabi na kanina. Lock. Lock na natin yan, guys. Close na natin yan. Close na natin yan. Tignan natin yung naka-open pa. Tignan natin yung naka-open pa, guys. Okay? Tignan natin yung open. Oh, last gaming room. Okay. Let's close that. This is my bedroom yata eh. Hindi ko alam, guys. And this is my bedroom. Titignan natin itong mamaya. Let's look around. Let's look around this way. No. Let's look around that way. Okay, nakita na natin. So, ito na lang yung magiging room ko. So, guys, keep fun, guys. Kasi, at the end of the video, wait. Tignan ko yung Snapchat ko. Snapchat. Picture ako dito. Send ko kay Makmak. Guys. Yan. Tignan natin kung may maisisend siya. Yung mga iba naman, isisend ko sa story ko is. Yan. Nag-add na sa story, boys. Guys, wait. Wait lang, guys. Pupunta ako doon sa bahay ni Makmaka. Wait lang. So, we just arrived in Makmak house. No think a long time, but we just arrived. The game was little bit hang. The heck? Okay, let's go. Katabi lang pala tayo ng house, Mak. Okay. What do you have here, Mac? I have a dining room. Let's see. Where is your gaming room? Huh? Bathroom. This, okay. This is your gaming room. May gaming room din ako, guys. Gina. I have a channel. So guys, if you want more of this game, make sure link in the comment say play more game Kuya Big Boy, okay? And like if you like this, and comment down below and subscribe, guys. Okay guys, vinisit ko lang si Makmak, guys. Okay, this is nice. Bye, Mak. Kunin mo na to. May kukuha na ako, guys. So, okay, guys. The game is little bit hang. 4-1, bro. Where? Wait, guys. I'm just gonna teleport. I don't do this, but I'm just gonna teleport to my house, go home. I'm just gonna go home, guys. Wait. Let's see here. Go home. Let's go.
We can do the picnic and the shopping.
And this.
Let's go in my house.
And I'm gonna go to the pool, guys. And look, this open. I'm gonna go to blue. That's my favorite color, guys. Blue. If you wanna check out my other videos, my name in my channel is Melchor Jr. Just click yung nakahawak ng baril, guys, yung may weapon na baril na nakaganito. Pindutin nyo, guys, tapos meron na din yung video ko. So, and subscribe to me, guys, please. Okay? Come on. Yan kasi. Yan. I'm gonna lock it. What the heck? Wait. What is this? Wait. What is this?
Okay,
This is like drawing, guys. It's not painting. This is like drawing. Ano ba? This is like drawing, guys.
That
This is send ko sa story ko to. Wait.